Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate land use analysis with LandVision, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open LandVision on your computer. Log into your account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Select New Project to start a new land use analysis. Enter a name for your project in the input field. Choose the geographic area for your analysis using the Map tool. Zoom in or out to refine your area of interest. Click on the Analysis tab located in the top menu. Select Land Use from the Analysis options. Choose the specific land use categories you're interested in. Utilize the filters to narrow down the data if necessary. Generate your land use report by clicking the Run Analysis button. Wait for the system to process your request. Review the summary of your results once the analysis is complete. Explore the map layers to see the visual representation of land use. Download the report in your preferred format for further review. Share your findings with stakeholders as needed. Save your project for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.